Okay, here's a face mask that I've been using that I have noticed the best results on my face. This one's a couple weeks old. I used it today. It was still really great, and it doesn't peel, and it doesn't turn hard if you keep it covered. I keep it in the fridge. But the main, you can put a lot of things in it, but the main things that I put in it is apple cider vinegar, plain gelatin, like 1 pack of plain gelatin, activated charcoal, and I would use farm eggs for this, not store-bought, but I always keep shells so that they can dry out so that I can grind them up in my grinder, like grind them into a fine powder, and that's going to be like your grit for when it dries. Then you wet it and you start scrubbing your face with it, but use an egg white, not a yolk, in it. Those are the staple things that I use. I apply it with a brush. And you could also put things like, I would grind up some oatmeal, a little bit of oatmeal. You could put some vitamin E in it. You could put, this is bentonite clay, things like that. And I have noticed the best results from this particular method.